Want to work from a sunny Mediterranean island? Here is how to secure Malta's Nomad Residence Permit. Work remotely while enjoying the sun and sea in Malta. Let's explore the steps to get your Nomad Residence Permit and make the island your new base. Step 1. Check your eligibility. You must be a non-EU citizen working remotely for a company, clients, or your own business based outside of Malta. If you meet these requirements, you can qualify for the Nomad Residence Permit to live and work in Malta. Step 2. Check your income. You need a minimum gross annual income of 42,000 euros, which is about 3,500 euros per month. This ensures you have the means to support yourself while living in Malta under the Nomad Residence Permit. Step 3. Apply online. Gather your passport, remote contract, bank statements, and a clean background check. Submit these documents to the Residency Malta portal. The application fee is 300 euros. Completing this step brings you closer to living and working in Malta. Step 4. Finalize. Once approved in principle, secure a local lease in Malta and sign up for qualifying health insurance. These steps are necessary before your Nomad Residence Permit can be issued and you can begin your life on the island. Finally, travel to Malta, provide your biometrics, and collect your one-year residency card. After these steps, you're officially ready to live and work in Malta. Welcome to your new Mediterranean adventure. Ready to move? Check out the official Residency Malta website to start your application. Need help with your visa application? ACES Visa. Visa made easy. Contact via mobile, Viber, email, website, or Facebook for expert assistance every step of the way.